Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my new channel. My name is Ritika. So today here in this video, I am going to discuss few steps that you need to take before you choose any stream after class 10th. So this video is specifically for student of class 10th and for their parents also. So guys, the first step that you need to know is that what your actual interest is. You need to identify your interest. I agree that there are few who are still figuring out कि उनका actual interest क्या है, and it is easy for those who already know what they like, what they want to become. So उनके लिए it is very easy to know कि ये उनका interest है and they are going to do this. They have the proper plans for their future, okay? But it is very difficult for those who are still struggling to know what their actual interest is. So I am just giving you two little activities that you can do at your home. You just have to sit, relax, take a deep breath, and you just analyze your interest on the basis of the subject you like the most. You just have to think ऑफ द टाइम कि ये ऐसा टाइम है या ये ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है एंड आई कैन डू इट फॉर आवर्स. सपोजिटली आई गिव यू वन एग्जांपल. इफ यू हैव लव फॉर मैथ्स, सो आई हैव सीन फ्यू ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स वर ऑल्सो सो मच इंटरेस्टेड इन मैथ्स. सो आई हैव सीन कि जिन लोगों को मैथ्स पसंद होती है दे लाइक टू डू इट लाइक एनीथिंग कि दे जस्ट लव टू सॉल्व कॉम्प्लेक्स प्रॉब्लम. सो इफ this is the case with you, if not maths, any of the other subject you like the most, so you can think about it. If you think कि आपके 3-4 subjects ऐसे हैं and you have interest in all the subjects, so you can make a list कि yes, ये मेरे subjects हैं और इनमें मुझे काफ़ी interest है. You can think of the time where you always wanted to wait for the lectures to come कि maths के lecture के लिए you're waiting और science के lecture के लिए you're waiting, or you have so much interest in social science or political science, or you are one of those कि आपको लगता है कि you like to do in your free time कि you love to have some creativity, you love to create something. You love designing, you love to draw. So what do you like to do in your free time and which subject you like the most? So now we are moving forward towards our next step, that is your skill set. It is very important to know what kind of skills do you possess according to your interest. Supposedly you want to pick humanities and you want to study journalism further. So you should have the skill of editing, reporting, and you should have that skill of writing. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आपके अंदर सारे स्किल्स पहले से ही होने चाहिए. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि आपके पास एटलीस्ट 10 या 20% उस फील्ड से रिलेटेड कुछ नॉलेज या कुछ स्किल होना चाहिए, सो दैट इट विल बी ईजियर फॉर यू टू कोप अप विद ऑल द सब्जेक्ट और द मटीरियल दैट यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी लेटर. एंड इफ़ यू आर अनअवेयर कि मेरे पास क्या स्किल है, नहीं है, या अच्छे हैं या बुरे हैं, या आई एम नॉट श्योर, सो यू कैन टेक अ हेल्प ऑफ योर फ्रेंड और यू कैन टेक हेल्प ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स. So now we are moving forward towards our next step, that is personality trait. It is also one of the ways जिससे आपको पता चल सकता है कि आपका interest actually में किस stream की तरफ है, and it is completely on the basis of the research कि किस personality trait को किस में किस option के लिए जाना चाहिए. If you have a good memorization skill, you have a good learning skills, you are compassionate, you love to heal others, you are inclined towards medicines, you love to read articles on new researches in medical line, then I think you should take PCB. If you have love for mathematics, you love to solve complex problems, you like to know more about discoveries, new researches, innovations, technologies, then I think you should take PCM. If you are a business mind person, you like to create something new, you like to solve people problem by bringing any good product in the market, and you know how to sell that product. आपकी एडवर्टाइजिंग कैसे करनी है, what are the principles of marketing, आपको सेल कैसे करना है, एंड अकाउंट्स कैसे मेंटेन करना है. एंड इफ़ यू हैव इंटरेस्ट इन ऑल दीज थिंग्स, मार्केट को कैप्चर कैसे करना है, कॉम्पिटिशन कैसे देना है, देन यू शुड go for commerce. If you are a person of you want to know about human culture कि human culture है, कैसे society create हुई, क्या ancient methods थे, और क्या linguistic approaches हैं, and so you are more interested into politics, social science, administration, then you should pick humanities. Humanities, however, has diverse options, can go in hotel management, you can go in journalism, communication, mass comm. You can prepare for IAS, PCS also. So it has diverse fields. I have just cleared and just gave you vague idea कि आपको personality trait अगर कुछ पता है अपने बारे में कि yes मेरी ये personality है, so I think it can also help you in some way. Now we are moving forward towards our last point, that you should also be aware about the trending career options. However, I will list down all the career options under all the streams. You can take a screenshot. I will also make a separate video on all the courses. You can also check them out. But you should also make a thorough research on your own so that you can be more sure कि आपको किस stream में जाना चाहिए एंड आपके क्या करियर ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं. गाइस, अगर आपका करियर ऑप्शन फ्यूचरिस्टिक नहीं है, आपके पास इंटरेस्ट भी है, स्किल भी है, सब कुछ है एंड यू नो व्हाट योर इंटरेस्ट इज, आपको स्किल भी पता है बट करियर ऑप्शंस नहीं है, देयर आर नो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ इन द मार्केट, देन इट इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़. सो हमारा जो लास्ट पॉइंट है टू नो अबाउट द करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. यू नीड टू कंसिडर दिस पॉइंट. I hope I made all my points clear. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.